How are we, YouTube? George here. I just said I'd make a little video, let you all know I'm still alive, and I haven't been posting a whole lot of late because I haven't done anything. Some of you might know I had COVID there over the Christmas, and I'm just finding it very hard to get going again after it. Heard a bit of American stuff coming in there on 385. Yeah. But as I said, finding it very hard to get motivated. And of course back to work now as well, so that's not a help. But however, we'll get there slowly but surely. And this place is bloody lights. Yeah. I'm gonna have to make something for the camera to stop that happening. But yeah, you know, this place, still a lot to be done here. Needs to be shelved and all of that stuff. Get the storage sorted out in it properly. That's it now. As it stands now, I'm just using that at the moment for main storage. That's mainly stuff off the bike in that, and some of my dust sheets and stuff in the bottom, and some shelving material. I use a lot of that track and slot type stuff. So yeah, some of the eagle-eyed will notice the red in the corner. Having a little trouble here. So from where that sprayer is hanging back to about here, that's where my neighbour's garden shed is, and he built up that section of wall before I started this, and your man that was doing it, of course, he couldn't get in at the back of the shed to get the joints nice on the blocks. So I have water coming in through that wall. That stuff I put on it there is like a sealer, but it was too wet, so I'm going to have to wait until later in the summer when it dries out and do it then. And I'm going to try and get some sort of sheeting, whether it's real light tin or plastic or something, perspex. I have a couple of big sheets of perspex there. If I could just get them on the wall just to stop the water coming in through the blocks, we'll try and do that. But other than that, not much else to say. It's a fine big workspace when I get it sorted out, you know. So I'm getting messages from a few guys, you know, you back at radios yet, you back at radios yet. The short answer is no, not yet. Do what I do with radios, your head has to be in the game. Because if your head's not in the game, you make mistakes, and then, you know, that's not good. So, we will get there shortly. So, anyone that's waiting, I just ask you to be patient, please. We'll get there. So, other than that, as I said, back to work, and I went in the first day, and by 8:15 it was like I was never gone over there. It's always amazing that. But yeah, it's grand to have this big space now, and it's all open here now in the original shed. You know, it was very closed in the way it was, and it's absolutely humongous now with all the space that's opened up in it. So happy days. Yeah, so that's it. Just said I'd make a video, let you know I'm still here. That's it, guys. That's all I have to say. I hope you're all keeping well and COVID free. It's an absolute pain in the arse. It just saps the energy out of you. And we all had it here. Still getting over the effects of it. But sure, look, the way it's going, everybody's going to get it anyway, I think. Oh yeah, so I have my bench there now, sorted out. And made a frame for it. Those legs are actually the posts off the fence I took down. If anybody was following along with the shed build series, they would have seen myself and my son Adam tearing down the fence. And I kept 4 of the legs, and it's all screwed together, and it's attached to the wall in there as well, so it's mega solid. And my dad was out here the other day and he was laughing at this. He says, you have a little family of drills. So they're handy. All old little and Aldi, most of them, and they're great. No complaints with them. Picked up a TIG there as well recently. Something else we're going to be having a go at some point. I have to get gas, of course, and nothing is cheap. Everything's expensive. Over €100 for the gas, I think. And sure, look, it is what it is. And we'll get there. So that's it. I'm out. I'll get you again. And take care. Have a good one.